from the well, FROMTHAWELL.
Man, it is raining like crazy. It just like flash flooded, and it like got like super crazy flash flooding and stuff, and there's water everywhere, and it just like literally just came last night, just out of the blue, out of nowhere. So that's super crazy and interesting. Got Bear over here. Hi Bear, how you doing, Bear? Everything right, Bear? Doing good? All right. I'm about to go pick up the mail because I don't want to have to come outside again. The craziest part of this being that it's the first day of summer. It's the first day of summer, and I'm standing in water. There's water everywhere. Oh man, I hope the sound caught that. Right. Now we have had to move the cars because of all the water that's coming in so quickly, and so yeah, we've been moving them, and yeah, water's been rising quickly. Hasn't stopped raining yet. We were going to wait till the rain stopped, but then yeah, it was just bad. So that's what we're doing right now, in the rain. It's the weekend. Stay in the doghouse, get dry.
Get in your house, man.
Why are you not going in the doghouse? I'm telling you, he really likes the rain. But no, he's actually going in the doghouse. He didn't go in the doghouse. Woo, can't even see the road. There's supposed to be a road over there. All right. It has stopped raining. There's still a lot of water everywhere. Yeah. I'm coming. I'm coming. It's okay, we're gonna make y'all a dry spot. Okay. Yeah, oh, well, I'll push the record button. Whoops. No, didn't we?